If you want to see how I got these juicy 2-strand twists using no rubber bands or no braiding the roots, and if you want to see how to grow your hair fast going from this to this, then stay tuned. I have you covered with details and tips of how to get fast hair growth if that's what you're looking for. So the first thing I want to do is give a shout out to one of my subscribers, KJ, for leaving a comment asking if I could do a video without braiding the roots first. And this is exactly what we'll be doing. But first, we need to start off with detangled stretched hair, making sure that you use a heat protectant first. The kind I use is by Chi, and I will put everything in the description box. And please do not miss that step because you want to keep your original curl pattern of your hair and you don't want it to become heat damage. So now I'm just sectioning off the hair into 3 sections, one at the back and 2 in the front. Once you have that section off, all you want to do is just go grab your shine and jam and put it at the parting that you have already created. We're starting with the back section and we're just going to section off a small section of hair. Get your shine and jam and apply it to the parting. Get your rubber band to get the hair that you're not using out the way and secure that. I'll be showing you 2 different methods of how to achieve the 2-strand twist. Okay, so the first method you want to do after sectioning off your hair is to split the hair into 2 halves, and I'm just twisting the hair both strands in one direction, which is to the left, and then you just want to cross over each strand of twist afterwards. This type of 2-strand twist may be a little more difficult to do, but if you're trying to achieve a particular look and if you want your hair to be stretched a little more and if you want it to look a little more shinier, you want to use this method. This method also looks like a rope. If you want more of a rope twist and not the juicy look, then you want to use this method. I wanted to give the opportunity to show both methods depending on the type of style that you want. So that's why I'm showing you this method first. And like I said, it might be a little more difficult, but if you like that look, maybe you want to try doing this method that I'm doing right here. And once again, you just want to twist that hair in one direction after splitting it and then just cross over both strands of hair. So I'll let you see me complete this row and then we'll just work on to the next row and show you how to do the second method, which is the most common method and the easier method. Okay, now it's time to work on the second method. You just want to section off your hair and you just want to apply some shine and jam to the root of the hair. You do not need much shine and jam, so don't oversaturate your hair. And now you just want to start twisting the hair, taking 2 strands of hair and twisting it on top, one on top of another one. And you just want to continue the process all the way down like I'm doing right here. And when you get to the end of the 2-strand twist, make sure that you use your finger and swirl the end to make it look more of a curl at the tip. And once again, I am just twisting over the hair. This is the simplest method that you can use. This method most people use on their own hair when doing their own two-strand twist because it is so easy. So I'm just showing you that. And also, if you want to have more of your roots not puffing up, my suggestion is to use smaller parting. So you see how my parts are small and they're not really thick, and that gives you less of that puffy root like I was saying. So you want to just continue the process. So, which method do you like the best? Do you like the first method the best, or do you like the second method the best? And like I said, most people like the second method because it's easier and they're able to do that more easily on their head. So, this is the completed look of the back. I'm halfway done, and I'm just showing you how that is looking. You see how it's looking juicy and full. So now we just gonna work on the other side of his head, starting off with parting and then some shine and jam. You want to take small sections of hair, just apply just a tab at the root of his head, and you just want to continue the two strand twisting process. So we are 3/4 done twisting his hair, and we only have one little section that's left. So we just gonna jump right into doing that section of hair, and you just want to start it off like each other section where you just two strand twisting his hair. So if you have any more video ideas that you want to see, I will be glad and happy to create that video as well. Just leave it in the comment and I'll read the comment, and I will definitely make a video on anything that you would like. Now we're at the top of his head, and I just wanted to give you a close up and see what I'm doing right here. And of course, we just repeating the process, but like I said, I wanted to give you a close up of how that is looking as well. So this is how his hair is looking once all the twists are completed. This is without blow drying. So after you get done with this part, you just want to put some Nairobi hair foam on his head and let him sit under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after it's all dry, this is how his hair should be looking, but we're not done. So to create that fast hair growth, you want to use this black Jamaican castor oil. This is the best oil ever. So you just want to apply that to his head and make sure that you're sleeping with a do-rag on, a silky do-rag. That helps with hair growth as well. And to finish off this look, I'm using my Millie hairspray. It gives such hydration, and it also helps with promoting hair growth. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great, blessed day.